Is your Candy Crush Saga stuck in the past? Let's blast through any update issues and get you back to crushing it. First, locate the Google Play Store icon on your Android device. It's usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Look for the little shopping bag icon with a triangle. Tap the icon to open the Google Play Store. This is where you'll find all your apps, including Candy Crush, and manage their updates. Now, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Candy Crush Saga. Make sure you spell it correctly to get the best results. In the search results, find Candy Crush Saga and tap on its icon to open its app page. Here's the magic moment. If you see an update button, tap it immediately. If you see an open button, then you're already rocking the latest version. Tapping the update button will start the download and installation process. The speed will depend on your internet connection. Keep the app open while it updates to prevent any interruptions. Once the update is complete, the update button will transform into an open button. Tap open to launch the game. And just like that, you're back in the Candy Kingdom with the latest features and improvements. Now go forth and conquer those levels.